Hello my dear students. Today I'll be explaining you the types of partnerships. There are two classifications for partnerships. They are on the basis of duration and on the basis of liability. Classification on the basis of duration. We have two classifications. One is on the basis of duration and on the basis of liability. And again on the basis of duration we have sub-classification, that is partnership at will and particular partnership. So partnership at will. At will, it means at wish of all the partners, consent of all the partners. This type of partnership exists at the will of the partners. If partners are not willing to continue, they can dissolve the partnership firm at any time. This partnership can continue as long as the partners wants, and it will be terminated when any partner gives a notice of withdrawal from the partnership to the firm. If any partner gives a notice of not continuing his partnership in that firm, that partnership is said to be dissolved. Suppose if other partners are willing to continue, then a new or a fresh agreement has to be done, those who are continuing the partnership business. So, if a partner gives a notice of withdrawal, it means that the partnership firm is terminated. So, if the partners want to continue, they can continue. So, it is nothing but at will, which is opposite to this particular partnership. In particular partnership is formed for the accomplishment of a particular project. Say suppose construction of a building or an activity to be carried on, or an activity that has to be carried on. Here, particular partnership is being called as a particular partnership because it is formed for a particular purpose, for a special purpose, for a particular project. For example, it might be construction of a building or an activity that has to be carried on for a specified time period. It is called as particular partnership. So, here it includes that may be formed for a particular time. Say for example, if the partnership is being formed for particularly, say for example 2 years. After 2 years, though the purpose is not fulfilled, at the end of 2 years, that will be dissolved. The partnership will be terminated automatically. If the partnership is formed not on the basis of time, if it is formed for a purpose, till the purpose is served, till that specific purpose is completed or accomplished, the partnership will not be considered as dissolved. The partnership continues till the specific purpose is not achieved. Once the specific purpose is achieved, it is automatically dissolved. So, particular partnership dissolves automatically when the purpose for which it was formed, when it is fulfilled, or when the time duration expires. So these are the two that makes the partnership as a particular partnership. So this was on the basis of duration. Now we will see on the basis of liability. On the basis of liability, we have two types. Again, on the basis of liability, we have two sub-classifications, that is general partnership and limited partnership. General partnership and what is limited partnership, that we'll see in the next video. Thank you one and all.